So we've also wired in the Couchbase Analytics service, which is a new service that's in developer preview, some of the early releases, and it lets us look over much larger volumes of data, perform ad hoc, unindexed, multi-level joins and hash partitioning to pull out trends that are separate from your kind of transactional throughput workload. So here we have a little page built. We can choose which disease we're going to. I think you're probably suffering from some scale-itis.
Yes, I am.
And we might have a solution for that. So we choose that. We could drill down by city. We could drill down by gender. And here I think we're going to group by social media because that's what we've been talking about. So if I just click and run this now, takes just a couple seconds and comes back with a graph. So we can see thousands of records and patients returned here.
None. How do you explain none?
So the problem is we don't have any of this social media data in here. All of the data that we've been gathering is missing that section. It's probably some of the older people in the study.
Really?
Yeah.
So many of you should have this application. You can go and enter your social media information onto the system, and perhaps we can get to see what's happening over there?
Yes, hopefully. So if those of you who've been playing with this app over the last couple of days, if you could just click in and just start adding some Facebook, WhatsApp, or Snapchat records. I'll give you a couple more seconds. We don't need everybody to do it, just a few records. So hopefully that's been enough time, and if we come back and refresh this page, rerun the query, with the new data that's come in,
pouring in.
hopefully, there we go. Now we see that there's still all of those none up there, but if I take that away, hide it off the graph, we can start to see some of the trends of the other social media.
So this is the kind of stuff that you have based on the schema extension. Now you're getting the data, and it's instantaneously showing me that in terms of what the social applications people are actually.
Exactly, and this is just showing us occurrences of scale-itis with patients that have entered their social media data.
So that yellow line, does that tell me that WhatsApp is the most viral of the three?
It seems that WhatsApp is a bit more viral than Snapchat, yeah.
Fantastic.
And if
virality has an entirely different meaning in this healthcare, but
if we click on one of these points and drill down, we can see the people that have entered that information. Those are the few Snapchat users that are out there.
See, Hod really over there.
Even Hod, our own engineer.
Probably somebody did enter that, I know, the data.
Yep.
Fantastic. He developed this whole app, so he should have a way to get his data in.
He knows how to work with the data, yes. Thank you, Hod.
Fantastic. Lovely.